Mummy, you know what? My dolly has eaten her breakfast. She is a good girl, said 5 years old Dia to her mom Shalini with excitement. Oh, very good, my dear, said Shalini with a smile on her face. I will also make something for you, mom, said Dia. Oh, really? I want biryani, said Shalini. Okay, I will be back soon, said Dia going inside the house with an innocent face. Shalini was sitting in the garden having a cup of coffee. The sounds of waterfalls, chirpings of birds, pleasant smells of different flowers, and the greenery of garden couldn't make Shalini happy. She was thinking about something deeply. Suddenly, the main gate opened and two women were entering. Shalini came into this world and looked at them. Shalini felt very happy and ran towards them and hugged them. They are Sudha and Radha, cousins of Shalini. Shalini made a route into the house. They went inside the house and astonished on seeing such a beautiful house. Suddenly, Dia came out of her room and was hiding behind her mother. Sudha grabbed Dia towards her and gave her a chocolate. Dia ran into her room with joy and seeing chocolate. Sudha and Radha sat on sofa. Shalini went to bring some juice. Radha and Sudha were wondering how can she own such a big and beautiful house. They were happy and jealous too. Shalini came out of the kitchen with two glasses on a tray and gave it to them. Sudha and Radha were unable to stop their looks from the decorative items and the interior design. After 2 hours, Sudha and Radha were leaving the house. Shalini didn't force them to stay but said once to stay at home for at least one day. We will come another time, they said, stepping out of the house. Shalini said okay and walked with them and stopped at the gate. Shalini returned back to home with a sigh and laid on the bed. Dia was very busy in playing. Shalini is a housewife and lives in Bangalore. Her husband Himesh works for Amazon. On watching the ceiling fan rotating, she remembers her past. Shalini was a beautiful girl with long silky hair and intelligent too. She dreamed so many things to be independent and respectable in the society. She was very active and talkative too. Shalini completed her BTech and thinking to join in MTech. But the mistake that she did is to born in a middle class family. The financial problems and society forced her to get married. Finally, she got married and at the age of 21 years. Her marriage was the first distracted from her goals. She wanted to prove herself and dreamed to be independent. The sound of doorbell grabbed her to the reality. Shalini opened the door and Himesh entered into the house and thrown the office bag aside and sat on the sofa tiredly with a sigh. Why are you looking so stressed? Asked Shalini. I'm not sitting at the house like you, said Himesh with an irritating face. Don't you even know to get some coffee? Said Himesh angrily. Shalini rushed into the kitchen and brought coffee. After some time, Shalini called Himesh to have the dinner. Himesh grabbed the chair and sat at the dining table. Shalini said, my cousins came to our house today on serving Himesh. What can I do for that? Said Himesh, showing no interest. Shalini's face became sad. Can't you even cook food properly? Said Himesh. Cooking is the only thing that you have to do, but you cannot do it properly, said Himesh very angrily. Shalini couldn't sleep that night. She picked pen and paper and started writing. Dear God, sorry, I can't call you as dear. What's wrong with you and what I did to you? All my friends and families think that I am the luckiest person and enjoying my life, but they don't know how I am trying hard to smile. I have a beautiful house, designer saris, gold, and all facilities, but I don't have a person who understands my feelings and who respects me. Respecting doesn't mean to worship or to do something, it is to give some value to my opinions and feelings. The only person who asks me whether I have eaten something or not is my maid. Sometimes I feel jealous about her. She might be having financial problems, but she is happy with what she has and with loving and caring husband and children. Do you believe that my husband never asked me whether I had something or not till now? Even though I have a lot of money and all, I'm still unhappy because I lost my self confidence and independency. This house became a prison to me and just ruined my life. I can't even select a dress whichever I like, and I can't cook my favorite food. He just married me to have a maid and children generating machine, not to have a wife. He was distraught when Dia was born and he forgot that he came from a woman. The paper was getting wet and the words were disappearing. I can't lead this life. She stopped writing and slept on the writing table whole night.